In the instructional procedures portion of your syllabus, you want to provide overview information explaining how you intend to conduct your class. Sometimes this section is also called teaching techniques. Here you want to indicate the number of hours you expect a student to dedicate to your class outside of the assigned class time. Students often don't realize how much time outside of a class is necessary for them to be successful. They sometimes need help knowing how to allocate time to learn new material. Setting time expectations can be an important element of your syllabus. Additionally, provide information about the structure of the class. Indicate if you plan to start each class with a quiz or a review from the last class session. Then explain generally what you and the students will be doing during the class. And finally, indicate how you intend to end each class period with the students. For example, do you provide assignments at the end of class, or are students expected to know when assignments are due and plan accordingly? We know students are adults, but they often do require reminders both in the syllabus and verbally in class. You may also want to indicate how you plan to teach the course. Are you going to use group activities? Do you plan on giving weekly assignments? Do you have lectures and discussions? Do you require students to have clickers or some other device to support a student response system? If so, make sure you mention the need for clickers either in this section or in the textbook, software, and supplies section of your syllabus. The instructional procedures or teaching techniques section should also include general information on the types of assignments and assessments you plan on using throughout the course of the semester. Do you expect them to write papers? Do you have a rubric to measure the quality of those papers? Do you require pages from a lab journal? Do you even assign a math problem every week? If the class is conducted online, don't forget to mention how often you expect the students to participate in the group chat or to post on discussion boards. Knowledge of the types of assignments and this general information is very helpful to students. It provides them with an overview of the course from an assignment and classroom procedure perspective. Detailed information about the points and the exact assignments will be contained in the grading section of the syllabus. This section is just for a broad overview. The instructional procedures section of your syllabus allows you to provide general information to your students to help them prepare for their learning experience with you as the instructor. This can be helpful to newer students or to students who have never had you before as their instructor.